Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel VSC Global Education. My name is Hina and today we are going to discuss postgraduate courses available in United Kingdom. So as we all know, there are a lot of options available after your bachelor's from India or from whichever country you belong to. There are many options available in United Kingdom. The first one is master's degree, the normal master's degree, which usually lasts 12 months and it also includes lectures, seminars, and of course a dissertation is a part of your master's degree. And second one is postgraduate research. It also typically lasts for 12 months, usually full time, and it is an intense period of research. It is basically research oriented, and of course you will have to deal with team of experts as well, and you have to research a lot about that particular subject. If you are very interested in researching part, then definitely this course is for you. There are many options available for postgraduate research options. You can contact us for further information. The third option available is postgraduate diploma, or we can say PG diploma that is usually available in United Kingdom. It usually lasts for 30 weeks, that is approximately 2 terms, and this can be studied full time भी कर सकते हो आप and part time भी कर सकते हो. कोई dissertation नहीं होती है PG diploma में. आप इसको मास्टर्स के लेवल, इसके बाद मास्टर्स आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हो अपनी. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट इक्विवेलेंट टू योर मास्टर्स, हाउएवर थोड़ा सा कम ही उसका वैल्यू रहता है. उसके बाद आता है आपका पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट सर्टिफिकेट. ये बहुत ही छोटा ड्यूरेशन का कोर्स होता है, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 15 वीक्स का कोर्स होता है, जो आप पार्ट टाइम भी कर सकते हो एंड अगेन फुल टाइम भी कर सकते हो. द लास्ट वन आई वुड से इज पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट. ये होता है 2 साल का कोर्स, कभी कभार 15 मंथ्स का भी कोर्स होता है. दैट इज 12 मंथ्स ऑफ योर इंटेंस स्टडी विद द पीरियड ऑफ इंटर्नशिप. चाहे आप 3 मंथ्स की इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हो, 6 मंथ्स की कर रहे हो या 1 ईयर की कर रहे हो, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन कोर्स टू कोर्स. So these are variety of postgraduate courses that are available in United Kingdom, and you can contact us in the link mentioned in the description box below for further information. We will definitely help you with your application process and to help you secure the highest level of scholarship available. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.